Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to upload a template on your Blogger blog. One of the things you need to consider before getting Google or considering your blog approved by Google and becoming a Google publisher is that you must have a very friendly and responsive template on your blog. So people might think that you can't get Google Adsense approval on your blog. It's very true that you can get Google Adsense approval on your blog, and one of the requirements of getting Google Adsense approval on your blog is to have a responsive Google Adsense template. So you have to have a blogger template that is very good on your blog, and that's what we shall be doing in this video, how to upload a very good template on your Blogger blog. So what you need to do right now is to go on Google and type google.com, www.google.com, and type free responsive blogger templates. So you click on search and you come inside here. So note that this video is very detailed and I'll be showing you step-by-step guide. So you search through and see what you like your blog to look like. So many things, so many blogger templates are here, but one of the templates I've used for Google Adsense approval before is called Polar free blogger template. So it's called Polar. So this is it here. I've used it for Google Adsense approval on my blog before, and I was really happy to be approved. So I've used this before, and now we encourage you to do this as well. So all you need to do is click on download. You have to download the templates. You have to download the template. Though I already have it on my phone, but for the sake of this tutorial I will have to download it again. Then you go on Google again, you go to unzip. You have to unzip this file to be able to use it and upload on your blog. So the website I recommend is xzyzip.com. So you have to unzip it. The reason you are unzipping this file is for you to get the XML file which you will upload on your blog. So here is loading, which you will have to choose the template. So you have to select the zip file to extract, and I will import the file here. So let's click on show by new recent. So let's go to our download. And we sort by new recent. So it's loading. So this is it, the blogger free template. So here we have to unzip it. It's already unzipped. Then you have to search for the XML file. As you can see, Polar XML. This is it, Polar free version 1.0 XML 424.96 KB. You click on save. Once you click on save, it downloads the file. So we have downloaded the XML file, and that is what we upload on our Blogger blog. So you have to, let me use it for you to see. Click on, let me back up this first, because I wouldn't like to lose my file, the one I wouldn't like to lose the theme I'm currently using. So let me rename it. Let me name my blog theme. So I save that. Then I will have to restore the one I just downloaded. Yes, the one we just extracted. So we have to install it. So this is it here. As you can see, this is it, the Polar free I won't be installing it because I wouldn't like my blogger template to change. So you have so many templates you can use, but I recommended this because I've used it to get Google Adsense approval before. So I recommend everyone beginning with blogger that really wants to get Google Adsense approval to use this template, which is very good for Google to approve your blog. So you upload the Polar free version. I don't mean the zippo. The free version is what you upload. The free version is what you upload. So the free version is what you upload. Like you can see, you click on restore, you click on upload, go to your files. So you click on this. So I won't be clicking on this because I don't want to change my template. So guys, in case you've been following me and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button right now and click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any challenges you have been facing, let me know in the comment section and I will do my best to respond to them. Thank you for watching. Bye.